नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन काय आहे, ज्याचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन 1 मोलारपेक्षा कमी आहे. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट हॅव्हिंग अदर कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन अदर दॅन युनिटी. फॉर सच ए केस वी कॅन इझिली वर्क आउट हिअर द पोटेन्शियल विथ हेल्प ऑफ द नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन. माझा नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन आहे काय, नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन कॅन बी गिव्हन लाईक दिस, इज इक्वल टू ई स्टँडर्ड मायनस RT by NF ln Q is there. We call it as the equation number first. Equation first is there. If you think here about the Q is nothing but the reaction quotient, concentration of the product to the concentration of the reactant is there. Okay. We will place here the same value in our equation. Cell potential is equal to E standard cell minus RT by NF ln concentration of the product divided by concentration of the reactant. Okay, we will call this equation as a equation number 2. What are the interpretations for the term? In this case, here E standard cell is the standard cell potential, R is the molar gas constant having value 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. Here N is the number of electrons transferred, number of electrons. F is the Faraday constant having value 9500 coulomb. Word for this one here. Okay, in this particular case, if you have the cell potential, we can convert this equation like this. E cell बरोबर converting this Neperian log to the common logarithm by multiply this term with the 2.303. We can write E cell is equal to E standard cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log to the base 10 product by reactant is there. We place here the values like this. By placing these values in equation, we can interpret in this fashion. Here E cell is equal to E standard cell minus 0.592 upon N log to the base 10 product concentration divided by reactant concentration. So this is the main equation, generally known as the somewhat nernst equation for the cell potential. Now in this particular case, what are the important points from the MSQ point of view? MSQ ला काय विचारतात? Basically हा जो फॅक्टर आहे इथला, हा this particular parameter, how this parameter occurs, हे जर आम्ही व्हॅल्यू ठेवल्या त्याची व्हॅल्यू ही तुम्हाला 0.0592 येत असते. फर्स्ट वन. आफ्टर दिस वन, सपोज सम रिॲक्शन इज गिवन, एखाद्या रिॲक्शन दिली आहे आणि यू हॅव टू राईट हिअर नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन फॉर गिवन रिॲक्शन. हाऊ टू फॉलो हिअर? E cell is equal to E standard cell minus 0.0592 upon N log to the base 10 product by reactant. Suppose we will write here the equation, next equation for the Daniell cell. In this particular case, application, a next equation for Daniell cell. How to represent this one here? Next equation for Daniell cell. हे कसं दाखवणार? आता पाहायचं की in this particular case Daniell cell ची इक्वेशन्स माहिती आपल्याला, सेल रिॲक्शन माहिती. In case of the Daniell cell, we know the cell reactions like this. Zinc Cu plus 2, it produces zinc plus 2 along with the Cu is there. Here solid state is there, concentration C1, concentration C2, solid state is there. Okay, in this case we will represent here this cell for with help of the next equation. मग सांगणार कसं? In case of next equation, E cell बरोबर E standard cell minus 0.0592 upon number of electron transfer is 2 log to the base 10 product concentration zinc plus 2 along the same Cu plus 2. Now you can think here that why we didn't consider zinc and this copper. The reason is that as these are existing in the solid state, the solid state is considered as a standard state and its value is always 1. Therefore these terms are taken as a unity By following that, we can just study the Nernst equation in this fashion. For any given reaction, by using Nernst equation, we can easily work out here any potential, maybe electrode potential or maybe half cell potential. We can work out here any term, particularly by using here this somewhat Nernst equation. आम्ही Nernst equation वापरून कोणतेही पॅरामीटर काढू शकतो. Okay. After this one, after this Nernst equation, let us consider to the type of the cells depending upon the somewhat their composition. Types of cells depending upon composition, types of electrodes. Types of cells are types of electrodes. Okay. In this particular case, we will think about the electrodes as a first one, a reference electrode. A reference electrode. Second one is the somewhat indicator electrode. हे काय असतात? रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड, इंडिकेटर इलेक्ट्रोड हे काय असतात? व्हॉट इज द रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड नाव? कशावरून हे टाइप ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोड्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देअर कॉम्पोजिशन और डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देअर समवॉट actual how they works. In this case, for these are of the two kinds. दोन टाइपचे असतात. रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड काय असतो? इट इज द इलेक्ट्रोड. रेफरन्सचा मिनिंग माहीत असणे. We just familiar about that term. माहीत असणे. Reference electrode is the electrode whose potential is known to us or arbitrarily fixed as a zero or having any known value known as the reference electrode. If you think about the reference electrode, that is the electrode whose potential is known to us or its value is arbitrarily fixed as a zero or any fixed value, the same electrode represented as the reference electrode. Example is somewhat particularly reference electrode. For that, SHE is the main one, along the same Calomel electrode is the second one. Calomel electrode is the second one. These two are the examples of reference electrodes. The electrode whose potential is known to us or arbitrarily fixed as a zero or having any known value, we call it as a reference electrode. Examples are strand hydrogen electrode or we call it as a Calomel electrode. पहिलं. Now we have the indicator electrode. माझा रेफरन्स जर भेटलं त्याच्यामध्ये दोन टाईप असतात. प्रायमरी रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड and secondary reference electrode. What is meaning of primary? Primary electrode is the reference electrode which is mainly used to assign the standard potential values of the other electrode. We call it as a primary reference. And secondary as a secondary one. In that sense, SHE is the primary reference electrode and secondary is the somewhat Calomel electrode is the secondary reference electrode. You have to remember this one here. Okay, primary reference SHE, secondary reference Calomel electrode. Accepted. Now what is the indicator electrode? The name indicator itself indicates that just to show or just to know. दाखवणारा the electrode whose potential is not fixed as it depends upon concentration of particular ions present in the solution. हे एक इलेक्ट्रोड आहे की त्याचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे त्याच्या ह्याच्यावर फिक्स नसतं. इट्स व्हॅल्यू इज ऑलवेज डिपेंड्स अपॉन इट्स ओन आयन. त्याच्या आयनवर डिपेंड असतं. दॅट जनरली कॉल ॲज द इंडिकेटर इलेक्ट्रोड. सो द इलेक्ट्रोड हुज पोटेन्शियल इज नॉट फिक्स्ड ॲज इट्स कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इज डिपेंडंट अपॉन द टाइप ऑफ द आयन present in the solution. The electrode is called indicator electrode. For our convenience, we call it as somewhat a silver electrode is there. It is familiar about the silver ion only. We call it as a somewhat hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen electrode. It is familiar about the H plus ion. Chlorine electrode. It is familiar about the chloride ion only. Remember that it is just having sensitivity towards that particular ions present in the solution. Indicator electrode. आणि हे जे घेतलं असेल आम्ही रेफरन्स त्याचं मात्र तुम्हाला जे काही पोटेन्शियल आहे ते फिक्स असतं. त्याची व्हॅल्यू ही असाइन असते. दॅट इलेक्ट्रोड वी जनरली कॉल्ड एज समवॉट रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड. ओके. विथ दिस पर्टिक्युलर वी विल कन्सिडर टू द फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड. याच्याबद्दल पाहूयात नंतर थांबूयात आपण. रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड काय असतो? व्हॉट इज द रेफरन्स इलेक्ट्रोड? पर्टिक्युलरली standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. So what is the standard hydrogen electrode? हा कसा असतो? For that we have the figure, then we make the explanation. Very simple one. Okay. Here we have the somewhat standard hydrogen electrode. We will explain here like this. Standard hydrogen electrode. Okay. At the first, what is the speciality? Electrode काय असतो? It is the electrode in which pure and dry hydrogen gas is bubbled over platinized platinum plate through the H+ solution having 1 molar concentration at 298 Kelvin temperature, known as the standard hydrogen electrode. It is an example of the primary reference type of the electrode. First one. Now what is the construction of that one here? Construction is very simple one. It consists of the glass tube in which fresh mercury is placed at the bottom, in which platinum wire is inserted. First one. At the end of the platinum wire, we just fixed the platinized platinum plate as shown. Okay. After that, this glass tube enclosed in outer glass jacket as shown in figure. After that one, overall assembly with the glass tube placed in a jar that contains acid solution having 1 molar concentration. Along the same, there is the inlet to pass pure and dry H2 gas exactly at 1 atmospheric pressure. In this particular case, whatever there is presence of the fine holes of the spinneret to the outer glass jacket, just to avoid the prevent or excessive liberation, depression over this platinum plate. So it is just about the construction with reference to the SHE. Once again, it consists of a glass tube in which fresh mercury is placed at the bottom. In this mercury, we inserted here the platinum wire. At the end of the platinum wire, we connected platinum plate. First thing, this glass tube is inserted or sealed in outer glass jacket, which is having inlet at the top and fine holes of the spinneret at the bottom. Second thing, in this case, overall assembly generally placed in a vessel that contains acid solution having exactly 1 molar concentration. Again, there is somewhat inlet just to pass pure and dry hydrogen gas through it. So what is this assembly? We generally call SHE. Okay. Mata ita working कसं असतं? In this case, H2 gas liberated generally shows here the oxidation by the loss of electrons. Along the same, these hydrogen ions liberates over the same plate again, and by that way, in this case, at equilibrium condition, there is no electrons as such over the electrode surface, and by that way, there is no potential developed across the metal rod and the solution around it. The potential developed is very less one, and hence it is assigned as a arbitrarily 0.0000 whole potential like this. It is having 0 potential, and hence it can be used as a primary reference electrode. Remember this one. Now, if we think here about the cell representation, it can be represented like this. Platinum wire is there, in which H2 gas is in just bubbled. Along the same, it is on the H plus ion concentration. Here, 1 molar concentration is there. Particularly 1 atmosphere is there. Along the same, temperature is 200 Kelvin is there. So it is the cell representation for SHE. So by following these terms, we have to follow the first primary reference electrode as a hydrogen electrode. On second period, at the next time, we will introduce with the calomel electrode. With this particular, we stay here.